Good morning. In last lecture, we started with comparison between Kent repertory, BBCR and BTPB. In that, we discuss about the introductory part, what is difference between introductory part of Kent, BTPB, BBCR, then its publication years, the Kent repertory which was published in 1897, BBCR was published in 1905 and BTPB was published in 1846. Then different contributions of Dr. Kent, Dr. Boger and Dr. Boning Hussain. We discussed about their contributions to homeopathy. Then what is philosophical background of each repertory, that is Kent repertory, BBCR and BTPB. Though Dr. Boger was the follower of Dr. Boning Hussain, but then also there was some difference in philosophical background. Dr. Boger, he added some new concepts in the philosophy of Dr. Boning Hussain. He introduced some new concepts like uh, doctrine of pathological general, then clinical rubrics, then doctrine of causation and time. So these few things Dr. Boger he added in philosophy of Boning Hussain, or extra other than Boning Hussain's philosophy, he followed these new concepts while constructing his repertory. Then totality of symptom we discussed, view of Dr. Kent for constructing the totality of the case, view of Dr. Boger while constructing the while constructing the totality of the case, as well as view of Dr. Boning Hussain while constructing the totality. Then how the repertories were constructed. What is the plan of each repertory? How was the construction of each repertory? So in each repertory, we discussed the book has different parts. It is divided into different parts. Then in Kent repertory, there are how many remedies are there in Kent repertory? In Kent repertory, there are about 648 remedies. Then in BBCR, there are about 464 remedies, and in BTPB, it contained about 126 remedies in original book of Dr. Boning Hussain and 342 remedies in Allen's edition, because he added some remedies and subtracted some remedies from the original work. Then gradations we discussed about, as in Boning Hussain's repertory in BTPB, he introduced 5 grades, that is capital, bold, italic, Roman and Roman in parenthesis. So Dr. Boger, he also followed the same criteria for giving gradations to the medicines, as well as there are 3 grades are given in Kent repertory, that is bold, italic and Roman. Then in Kent repertory, there are 37 sections, including subsections of urinary organs. There are 5 subsections on urinary organs. Then in BBCR, there are about 57 chapters, and in BTPB, there are 7 sections. So the arrangement of sections in Kent repertory, in BBCR and in in BBCR, all are according to Hahnemannian concepts or anatomical division of the body. Then in Kent repertory, all the repertories, they are constructed on the base of their philosophy. In Kent repertory, as we know that Dr. Kent, he was giving importance to generalities, and then he go towards the characteristic particulars. So in his repertory, the sections which start from mind and ends on generalities. Then in BPCR, the sections which starts from mind and ends on conditions of aggravation and general. Then under each chapter there is time, then aggravations, amelioration, concomitant and cross references are given. In BTPB there are 7 sections or 7 parts, and these 7 sections are mind and soul, then parts of the body and organs. Under parts of the body and organs, there are 32 subsections which starts from head and ends on lower extremities. So under parts of body and organ, the different parts of the body, they are given. So there are 32 subsections under the second section, that is parts of body and organs. Then the third chapter is sensation and complaints in general, then sleep and dreams, then fever. Fever is again having 7 subsections, that is circulation of blood, cold stage, coldness, heat, perspiration, compound fever and concordance, concomitants, then aggravations and concordance. In the sixth section in this repertoire is aggravation, and the seventh or last section or chapter is concordance. In this way there are 7 chapters in BTPB, and under parts of body and organ there are 32 subsections. Then in section concordance in BTPB there are 141 remedies. Then so in construction, in this slide it is given that in Kent repertory, introduction and sources, plan of repertory, then how which goes from general to particular, arrangement of rubric, use of repertory, how to study the repertory, that was all given in introductory part of repertory or in prefix part. Then alphabetical order of the rubrics, mind to generalities, sections are arranged, misplaced or allied rubrics or allied misplaced rubrics we found in this repertory also. In Kent repertory there are 3 gradations, number of chapters are, there was by mistake I think it was written wrongly. There are total number of sections in this repertory are 37. Then in BBCR, first part is introductory part, then choosing of the remedy, how to choose the remedy, how to repeat the dose, then what is the homeopathic prognosis, all that is introductory part in the first part of this book it was given. Then in materia medica part, in the first part only, this book also having the 3 parts. First part is all introductory part and materia medica part, then the second part is repertory proper, and the third part is sides of body and remedy relationship. In this way, in the first part there is materia medica part, and in that the remedies which are important clinically or practical point of view, so they are given, explained, so that it was easy to refer the materia medica while repertorizing the case. So in that materia medica, Dr. Boger, he explained about 140 remedies which are from aconite to zincum. Then in BTPB, how the sections they are given, how many sections and how they are arranged, it was given. First one is mind and intellect, then parts of the body and organ, then sensation and complaints in general, in that, and glands, bones, skin, then sleep and dream, fever, circulation of blood, in fever, circulation of blood, and all 7 subsections are there. Then compound fever, cold stage, these are all subsections of fever section. Uh, then alteration in state of health means modalities chapter. In that, according to time, modalities according to time, modalities according to circumstances and situation, or aggravations according to time and aggravations according to circumstances and situation, they are given. And after aggravations, ameliorations related to situation and position, it was given. And the last section or last chapter in this repertory in BTPP is relationship of remedy. In this way, there are 7 chapters in BTPP as we discussed earlier. Then arrangement of repertory. As we see in Kent repertory, there is particular or proper arrangement to write down the sub-rubrics. That is, after one rubric, if there is, for example, if we take the rubric head pain, in section head there is pain rubric, then after rubric pain, a group of indicated remedy they were given. That means pain related, head pain related all remedies are given. Then afterwards, it was in the sub rubrics, it was given in specific order. That is, first side related modality, side related or according to side the indicated medicines are given. In that, first right side, then left sided medicines. Then according to time, it was given. It is also arranged in proper way, that is, as the sun rises and sun sets. So from morning to midnight, the time related rubrics, sub rubrics, they are given. Then modality, in that, first aggravation, then amelioration related rubrics they are given. Then extension, if there is extension of the symptom from one side to other side, from one part to other part, then it is given. In this way, for arranging the rubrics, sub rubrics, there is some specific criteria in Kent repertory, as well as there is some specific criteria in BBCR and BTPP. In BBCR and BTPP, we found that all the symptoms they are arranged according to their philosophy, that is, in the form of location, sensation, modality, and concomitant. In this way, the repertory, the symptoms are arranged in the repertory. The gradations of the symptoms or medicines. So how the medicines are graded? In Kent repertory, as we discussed, that in Kent repertory there are 3 grades. The first one is bold, then the second one is italic, and third one, or the third, 1 mark remedies or third grade remedies, they are given in Roman letters. Then the in BBCR and PTPP, the same criteria was used to give gradations. That is, the first grade medicines or 5 mark medicines, they are written in capital. 4 mark medicine or second grade medicines, they are in bold letters. 3 mark medicines or third grade medicines, they are in italic. The 4 5 4 3 2 mark medicines or fourth grade medicines, they are written in Roman. And 1 mark medicine and fifth grade medicines, they are written in Roman in parenthesis. So in the BTPP also, the same criteria we found as we found in BBCR for the gradation of remedies. Then there are some unique rubrics in each repertory. So which are these unique rubrics? We discussed one by one. The in Kent repertory, capriciousness, woman aversion to, kleptomania, catalepsy, it refuses to, cosmopolitan, industrious, air castles, sulfur abuse of, arsenic poison. So these are the some unique rubrics we found in Kent repertory. Then in BBCR, in Boger-Bornhusen's characteristic repertory, uric acid diathesis, hemophilia, arrangement of time, aggravation and amelioration, then concomitant, sensation, uremia, puberty, constitution, satyriasis, infant alcoholism. So these are some unique rubrics which we found in BBCR. And in BTPB, like moon phases, sebaceous cyst, blood, groins, vibrations, jerking muscles. So these are some unique rubrics which we found in Bornhusen's therapeutic pocket book. So in this way, these are the examples of some unique rubrics. In this way, we should know. In short, I will cover your comparative study of Kent repertory, BTPB and BBCR, but it may ask for 20 marks as well as for 10 marks. So these questions are important and you should know in detail about what is the difference between philosophy of each repertory, what is the plan difference in plan construction of each repertory, what is the uh, concept of totality of each repertory. So you should know all these things, then only you can able to write down each and everything in proper way. Okay, is it clear for everyone?